In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use JIP payments on Target. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that JIP is available for eligible purchases and may not be offered for every order or location. Launch Target app or visit the official website of Target. Now select the items that you want to purchase and head over to the carts page. Once you are ready, proceed to checkout and enter your shipping information. In the payment section, check whether JIP is listed as an available payment option. If JIP is available, select it as a payment method. You will be redirected to JIP to sign into your account or create one if you already don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the eligibility check and choose your payment plan. JIP will display the payment schedule, including the amount due today and the remaining installment payments. After reviewing the payment details, confirm your payment through JIP. You'll then be taken to the Target checkout page. Review your order one final time and click place order to complete your purchase. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email from Target and you'll manage your future installment payments through your JIP account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.